Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
She fell in lust with your rims or your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you'll probably do it again.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a
Hibachi mukbang.
hibachi mukbang.
Yeah.
Fried rice with a piece of fried chicken.
For me, because you didn't want any. Okay.
And some plantains. Yes, plantains is not hibachi thing, but we had some left over and we fried it up because we wanted it. All right?
That's right.
So, guys, before we dig in, I do want to show you my outfit of the day.
Show them.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back.
Welcome back, guys. Like I said, we have fried rice. It's chicken fried rice. You can go on yam while I talk.
Man.
Oh, goodness.
Go on talk for
It's
that.
chicken fried rice, and I do have a video on how I made it. And I'm going to dig in.
What, you using chapstick today?
Yup.
Why are you feeling yourself or some way? You, feel
You
some
guys
type of
like
way?
it?
It's nice.
I
We got
bought
it
this-
from the
The Asian
Oriental,
market.
yeah, Asian
Yeah,
market.
Oriental market.
You don't put on this on your side, right?
Not yet. That's where we bought the 2-time spicy sauce. We have a Oriental market in our area. Let me drink some water before I get the hiccups.
Yeah, pick up and guess.
I don't have any gas.
All right, guys. Quarantine hibachi, you know?
Whew,
What we do.
good water.
Thank you for making double rice for me, because you know I love double rice when I go out.
When we go to hibachi, he always order double rice, and then he still eat my rice.
Thank you so much for that.
It's good.
Man, they might give you a job in the hibachi place.
For real.
Wow. Wow, you good at the chopstick. If I do that, I jump on my hand.
I still have some practicing to do, but
You
I'm
doing
getting
good,
there.
girl?
I watch YouTube videos on how to hold it.
And I got your spoon if you want to be greedy. Bring your spoon today.
And when I was little in elementary school, we went to an Oriental restaurant,
Yeah?
and they taught us how to use a chopstick. But after they taught us, I haven't used it in a while, so I gotta
Get back.
get back. Yeah.
Chopstick is made with people that want to eat slow. And me, I mean? I can't. Oh. Dole. Strawberry lemonade. Never tried it before. You ready?
Receive it. And then I have a soda,
Traps, you know, the
Traps.
traps thing, you know, I think that.
and there the dough's starting to come in. And then I have a bottle of water, just in case I need something to quench my thirst.
I brought 2 soda today because I got double rice, so I gotta have double soda. You know how it is. You know?
And this just came off the fire, so it's still nice and hot.
Well steaming.
It's good.
Plantain nice too now.
Yeah. Time to go good with it, man.
Plantain slice. Ha! Try my famous RFC chicken. Don't look at it because you didn't want it.
Listen, if I want some, I'm gonna take some.
Don't do that to me. You didn't want none. Turn if you have some.
Okay, let me
Well,
try some 2-time spicy sauce. They do say to shake this up very well, so make sure you shake it up.
I'm good.
Pour some on it. The video that I did to make this fried rice, I did it step by step, so you got to really see how I made it. It is a lot of work, and when I say a lot of work, you know,
Alright?
Woo!
You okay? Did you?
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna try some of my chicken.
Ooh. Oh, that would taste good in the fried chicken. Mix that up. Mmm.
Wow. That dough tastes nice. You wanna try it?
Let me taste it.
Tastes good, man. You grabbed that cup from me quick.
Whatever.
You thought I was gonna pull it back. Yo. I'm not gonna do that to you again, girl.
It tastes
good,
tastes
right?
good, yeah.
Wow.
But the ice, you can't even drink the juice. Listen, guys. With all due respect, we're done with your chopstick.
What do you want, fork?
Yeah, man.
You want chopstick can't work.
I need more practice.
You need more practice.
If anybody have a good video on how, because I've been watching it on YouTube, but I want a good video.
I couldn't deal with that. That'd be too much problem for me.
First of all, chopsticks. Ooh,
Let me get some of that.
hot.
Hot, Miss Sarah.
Chopsticks. Using chopsticks around this guy, it's not gonna work.
Why? Why not?
By the time you eat 3-4 spoons, you done gone 20. So you have to make sure you have to get full first. Trust me.
Take one more bite and show them your impressive video.
Yeah. My king has spoken.
Go ahead.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you how I prepared this delicious fried rice, chicken fried rice. Check it out. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. So today I will be making chicken fried rice. And these are the ingredients. And let me go through them one by one. So what you want to get is some chicken breasts. You can also use chicken thighs. My family likes the chicken breasts. And you want to cut them up as small as possible. You don't want big chunks of chicken in your fried rice. But if you like that, hey, knock yourself out. And we also have some peas and diced carrots that are frozen. Nobody has time to be sitting there dicing up many carrots. So I got frozen. I have seasoned salt, I have soya sauce, I have black pepper, I have sesame oil, and I have fried rice seasoned mix. You can use this brand, or if they don't have this brand, any brand is just as good. And then I have some chopped onions. Again, no one wants to be sitting there chopping up onions. And then I have 5 eggs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just making sure. I have a stick of butter. I'm not going to use all of this butter, but we do need butter. And then I have some rice that I already cooked earlier today, let it cool down, and then I put it in the fridge. You do not want to use rice that you've just made and then make fried rice. It's going to come out mushy, and it's not going to have that flakiness that you want. And then I have my wok. You do not really need one of this, but I mean, it makes the process so much better, and it makes the food taste a lot better. I don't know why, but something about the wok. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I do on the next clip. Okay guys, so what I did was I seasoned my chicken, okay, with all the seasoning that I showed you, which was the seasoned salt, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. I also added the Everglades. I forgot to show you that. And I seasoned it, and then I mixed it up, and this is how it looks. Now, you want your wok to be hot. And guys, make sure that you have all of your stuff already out and ready. You know, have your eggs cracked, have your packages open for your peas and everything, because stir-fry rice, it goes very fast. Okay, fried rice goes very fast, so you want to have everything ready. You don't want to put this in and then have to go chop up onions and then this burns, okay? So my wok is nice and hot, and I'm going to put the chicken inside. Now this is just 2 pieces of chicken breast. You don't have to use 2 pieces of chicken breast, you can just use 1. And all I did was cut it up very, very fine. As fine as I can get it without cutting myself. Okay guys, so I have taken the chicken out, and the next thing you want to do is add a little bit of oil to the pot. And then you want to sprinkle in some green peas. Some peas and diced carrots. That's fine if it splashes. That's okay. It's gonna stop once everything settles down. So this is probably like a half a cup. And then we're going to put about the same amount of onions in there. You see how much easier it is when it's already chopped up for you. You don't have to do all the work. And as you guys know, we love onions, so I put it in the rice. Everything is already ready. And then you just start mixing it up so that it can start to thaw out and cook. Now, okay, so I have taken out the onions and the carrots and the peas, and I've added some butter. Now, you do not, like a half of a little bit of butter, like a tablespoon of butter. And you do not want to rinse out the wok. After you take each ingredient out, please don't wash the wok. That's where all the flavors is. So now I put my egg in there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fry that up. I don't like my egg to be overcooked. I like it to be nice and yellow and, you know, still have some moisture to it. I don't like it to be all dry and brown. I don't like that. Okay. Okay, so we are back, and what I have in here is about 2 tablespoons of oil, a tablespoon of sesame oil, and then I have maybe 2 tablespoons of butter. And you want to mix this up until the butter melts a little bit. And sesame oil, be very careful because it's very strong, and so you don't want to overpower your fried rice by having all that sesame oil. You don't need a lot of sesame oil. A little bit goes a long way. And what you're going to do is just take the rice and use your hands to drop it in there and break it up as you go. And I use okay guys, so the rice, all the rice is in here, and it's about maybe 3 cups of rice that I put in here, maybe 4, I don't remember, but you don't have to use as much rice. You know, everything you can, you know, add more, add less, it's up to you. Now the brown stuff that you're seeing is the sesame oil on the rice, and that's what you want. Now, the trick to fried rice, or good fried rice, is, in my opinion, you have to let the rice really fry. I mean, that's why they call it fried rice. You have to let the rice really fry. If I was to put all the ingredients in there now and don't give the rice a chance to really warm up and to get, you know, and fry a little, it wouldn't come together. It just would not. So this is what you want to do. Just keep on stirring in it. And this is what they do in a Chinese restaurant. They're constantly stirring in it. All right, so this is how you want the rice to look. You want it to be nice and hot. You want it to get it as, you know, separate the rice grains as much as you can. And the way you do that, like I said, is to constantly move the rice around so that the rice can really fry. Now, this is what I use, the seasoning, and you just sprinkle it on the rice. And 1 package goes a long way. You don't need 2, 3 packages. That's going to be too much. And then you're just going to stir it in. Keep on mixing it so that, you know, as much of the rice can get flavored with it as possible. Okay, after you've let the seasoning get infused or cover the whole rice, you're going to take your soy sauce. And I don't measure this. I just know from cooking fried rice for so long, I just sprinkle some on the rice, just like that. Maybe that's a tablespoon. And then I start mixing it up. And if I need more, I would add more. But typically, this should be good. You don't want to put too much soy sauce, because then all that hard work that you did to get your fried rice nice and fried will be gone, because now your rice is going to be too soggy. So it's a balance. Okay guys, so now the rice is nice and brown, and it has been frying for several minutes now. Now we're going to add all of the ingredients that we made earlier today, which is the chicken. Okay, we add the chicken. And each ingredient that you add, you do want to start to mix the rice up. It just makes it, you know, easier for you to mix it the long way. Now I have the eggs, the green peppers, the eggs, the peas, the carrot, and the onions. And I'm going to pour that in there as well. And you see how I had everything in a separate bowl? After I cooked it, I put everything in a separate bowl so that when it's time to put the fried rice together, I'm not searching for it or walking away from the stove. Everything is at arm's length, and that's what you want. You can also make this with shrimp. I've made this with shrimp. I've also made this a sausage fried rice. I've also made a seafood fried rice. The same concept, you just, instead of using chicken, you use seafood, shrimp, lobster, you know, whatever you want to use. Now, rice is going to get everywhere, so just be prepared for that, especially if you're doing it right. Rice is going to get everywhere, but just clean up as you go. That's how we do it in the household. Clean up as you go, so that when you finish cooking, you don't have a big kitchen to clean up. Perfect. Fried rice, out. Hey guys, welcome back, and I hope you like how I prepared my Chinese rice. And that's how I make it. You don't have to make it like that, but I don't know why you wouldn't, because this is delicious.
It is so delicious.
It looks just like when you go to Hibachi restaurant. Trust me.
Only thing, go ahead.
Sorry, my love. And they make it in front of you.
Only thing you didn't do is flip the stuff them and all them volcano thing with onion and anything there.
I mean, I could have, but if you were in the house, it get catch on fire.
Can't do that.
Can't do that right now.
This is, look, the nice and seasoned crisp. Woo! Look at the wrist.
Ooh.
RFC. RFC.
It was so good. Yo. I'm not gonna lie. The 2 times spicy with fried rice is the way to go.
Popping.
It's popping. I'm putting more.
You put more?
Yeah, man. Because I remember when I went to San Francisco with my mom, and it was this Chinese restaurant.
Yeah.
And we went there. My mother loves spicy food just as much as we do. Honey, that looks so good in the camera.
Almost remind us of New York, huh?
Yeah, when they fried up half a chicken.
Half a chicken.
They don't have that here.
No, they don't have that here. That's what they're missing out. Half a chicken fried rice.
But anyway, they we ordered some fried rice, just vegetable fried rice, and I kid you not, that was like the best fried rice I've ever had.
Really?
And we asked them to make it extra spicy. And it was so good.
Wow. Just remind you of it.
Yeah. Especially with the 2 times spicy, because I don't know what kind of pepper they put in their food. They don't put like
pepper like that.
They put that chili flakes. Or they put oh, come off already.
No time to look on that right now.
No. We gotta watch that movie today.
You drop asleep too much.
2 days in a row. We were supposed to watch the movie. And the first time we was watching it, and I fell asleep.
I was trying to record you to show you that you be dropping asleep. I know you drop asleep, you know? And when I say something you don't answer, I know what time it is. The damn phone didn't go, couldn't catch it. I said, God damn.
That ever happened to you guys? You watching a movie and you drop asleep, and when your spouse or your significant other says something to you, you try to jump up and say, oh man, wow, what did she do? What did he do? Wow. Because you want to pretend like say y'all watch the movie and you don't know what the hell is going on in the movie.
You're tired. You're a hard worker.
I was tired.
Really hard worker.
Bob.
Did a good job.
So are you, my love? You're a 9 door.
Yeah, you too. I can't chat too much, you see? You're going to be my business about me a 9. You see, family? She always trying to put me out there. See how she act? Okay.
Listen.
We're getting none of my chicken. Me alone, I eat that chicken here.
When you're married for as long as we have and been together for 18 years, trust me, you learn each other, and you know what you can say to each other. We're at that point where we don't take anything too hard. You know what I mean? We joke with each other all the time.
You see what I see what you see. Work yourself. Eat your food and stop the point, man. You damn greedy.
I don't know what that means.
I'll tell you later. Nice, no? Nice.
I had my own plantains this time, so you can't eat it all.
I never eat up your plantain.
No.
Good thing I bring the 2 juice now.
Yeah, because one gone already?
Yeah, man, the juice them nice, man. Don't want to go with things. See, I gotta get 2 juice for the rice I got.
I didn't even drink my soda yet because the 2 times spicy, too spicy. Can't drink soda.
What's the skin?
It's hot.
The skin nice, you know?
And that's the bony part?
One part, the back.
The back, yeah.
That's the part I love.
Because I had I use chicken breast. In the video I told you don't have to use chicken breast, but I use chicken breast. And I had a piece of wing left over. And a little piece of the back of the breast. So he just decided to fry it.
Nothing to waste, girl.
Nothing go to waste. Nothing now waste, nothing now dash waste.
Now we're going to some more sauce there.
You have put some on there before?
A little bit.
What kind of sauce is that? You show them that kind of sauce?
The sauce again.
Oh, Panda.
Panda. Fix it.
Let me see. Panda Express chili
Sweet sauce, whatever.
chili sweet sauce. Oh, that's the trick, my love. You gotta put it like, let it focus.
I ain't got no time for that right now.
Let me know.
Concentrate on that.
We've been trying to figure this out for a while. Put over this one.
Concentrate, man. So I was going the same place in my stomach. What's up?
See.
Fried rice is banging, B.
My family loves my fried rice. Literally. When I say I'm making fried rice, they're like, yes!
Make it, man.
Just like when you say you're making everything. When you make everything, they all get excited. I remember when we went to Hibachi. Remember?
You know what I mean?
We went to Hibachi.
When the man got pissed off, I said, I know which one.
What happened, honey?
The husband got pissed off at his wife because she didn't want to order the food that he could get leftovers.
Yeah.
Just like me.
It was in the restaurant, and I guess the husband had already ordered chicken and steak. So he was telling her, don't order chicken and steak. Order like shrimp and, like something else. So that, because I don't want to eat the same thing. So I'm saying to myself, what do you mean you don't want to eat the same thing? You have your food, she have her food. And then he tell her, because I'm going to need the rest of it to bring to work. And we laughed so hard because I looked at him and I was like, just like you.
And I told you to order something I could get to.
That man was pissed off.
He was mad.
Yeah, he heard her order.
Dang.
Wait, what? He heard her order some chicken and steak, and he said, no, don't order that. I'm already ordering that. I was like, wow.
And if you have his order, though?
It was so funny. We was laughing.
We laugh because it was more funny because that's the same thing I be doing.
Yes. That's your rice.
Huh? Am I right? You been on the same rice from we started over there.
No, I ate a lot of rice.
Really don't lie.
I ate a lot of rice.
So my rice, I ordered double fried rice, so I'm going to eat it.
That's what I'm saying.
Triple, I like it.
Yeah.
I got my money worth. It's been a long time we've been to Hibachi.
Hibachi, yeah. Hibachi, yeah. And then on top of that, piece of skin. And then on top of that, usually.
Go and pick some of that.
Usually.
Should I give you another piece?
Usually you have chicken and steak and all kinds of stuff.
Mix up.
Also, honey, this chicken right here have to be sat down and I have to yam it, and this is bony part. I can't eat this with people staring at me and the people come judge me. What's that? You're trying to set me up.
I know it then. Go to later.
Yeah, man.
Eat my triple fried rice. Now, long I wanted to go Hibachi, so we brought it home here.
You brought it home. I'm put this down here.
Quarantine Hibachi style.
I'm gonna sit down and watching a movie.
Don't forget to like,
Comment.
share,
Yeah, and subscribe. subscribe.
And subscribe. Hit that bell. You know? Hit that bell.
What are you looking for?
It's us. That bell, you know what I'm saying? Join the journey.
Give me up with something. A little bit. It's a little slugger. That's good. Ooh.
One thing your hand wasn't short on the rice though. When you said double rice, you give me double rice.
I give you more rice than the hibachi place, and I ain't get no payment.
You get tip money.
Where is it? Gonna be later?
Tip your good. You can't keep the tax.
You're not only pretty girl, you're pretty plus tax.
Keep the change, son. You kind of nice. I start frying them like this more often.
Yeah.
Right?
And
That you can eat your because I could see how much you eat and count them. Oh, in the fry pan you eat them all fast.
Don't watch me, go watch TV. Okay. I only eat 1 meal a day.
What I eat today? I didn't eat nothing today.
Yeah, you had rice with the beef. I'm telling
You
you.
going to tell my business to hell. Oh my
You know,
God.
this guy had rice and beef earlier today for breakfast.
And for breakfast too though?
The breakfast too.
That ain't going nowhere.
I did water fast for 5 days.
I couldn't do that. I don't
It
know.
was the best water fast, and I'm trying to do it again. So
Hell no, I couldn't do that. I'd go crazy.
I might have to start it, and then when we do the mukbang, you eat and I sit here and talk.
I do that. I eat. Good. I eat up all this.
So you don't have to share.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Now I can agree with that now. Now you don't have to pay me. You don't have to pay me now. Just talk and I eat. Alright?
Yeah.
Now we on the same page again. Good.
I'm glad you're happy.
I love doing mukbang.
I can't stand you. It's so annoying. I hope you guys had a great day today, and we will see you guys on the next one. By the time you see this video, it's gonna be Friday, so cause I'm gonna post it tomorrow. So, excuse me. I just want to say that I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye!
Shit. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him.